Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. Two players in Jamaica's beverage industry are joining forces in a deal that will see a popular heritage brand expand both locally and internationally. WISYNCO Group has acquired the assets of Ringtail Bottlers, securing a long-term co-packaging agreement for the iconic Stone's Ginger Wine. Under the new agreement, WISYNCO will assume production of Stone's Ginger Wine and the accompanying brands in Jamaica.
With this investment, I would like to note that WISYNCO is investing in Select Brands for what we are today. And there will be no changes in the strategic direction, no changes in leadership, no changes in management, and no changes in the brands that Select distributes. WISYNCO is investing in us for us to continue to do what we do. With this alliance, though, we're going to focus on identifying the synergies. The synergies in what Select does well, in their premium approach to brand and customer development, and what WISYNCO does amazing in national distribution and consumer reach.
In addition, WISYNCO has also acquired a 30% minority stake in Ringtail Holding, the parent company of Select Brands. Carib Cement says it will invest $57 million over the next 5 years on the Rockfort Mineral Bath in East Kingston. The planned spend forms part of the company's commitment under a recently signed 25-year lease.
We will be dedicated to maintain and improving this landmark. The new 25-year lease marks a fresh start, and in the next 5 years, you will continue seeing how with these coming investments, we'll continue upgrading the next phases.
The company's managing director was speaking at the reopening of the iconic Rockfort Mineral Bath in East Kingston. The facility was reopened to the public Friday. The renovations were done under a partnership between the Jamaica National Heritage Trust and Carib Cement. It was done at a cost of $16 million.
We wanted that really the people that comes here, that probably had the opportunity to come before, could see a new stage like the one that we are living since the last month here at Carib Cement.
The JSE index declined by 1,569, while the junior market index declined by 3 points. The winners included One Great Studio Company, 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference Shares, Paramount Trading, The Lab, and Berger Pinch Jamaica. The losers include Sagicor Select Funds Manufacturing and Distribution, Jetcon Corporation, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, KLE Group, and Guardian Holdings, 24 stocks traded firm. And foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $160.81. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $117.95. The pound is going for $216.42, while the euro is selling for an average $188.46. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. News from overseas after the break.